In the world of skincare, serums are a game changer. They're concentrated, powerful, and designed to target specific skin concerns. But with countless options, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we'll review the top 5 serums that deliver outstanding results, covering everything from anti-aging to hydration and brightening. Whether you're new to serums or upgrading your skincare routine, this guide will help you find the best fit. Stay tuned as we explore the features, benefits, and more of these must-have products. Kicking off our list at number 1, Skinceuticals C E Ferulic. The Skinceuticals C E Ferulic serum is an award-winning product renowned for its ability to brighten, protect, and rejuvenate the skin. This antioxidant powerhouse combines vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid for maximum impact, making it a go-to choice for those serious about anti-aging and skin health. Key features: this serum contains 15% L-ascorbic acid, vitamin C, 1% alpha-tocopherol, vitamin E, and 0.5% ferulic acid. These ingredients work synergistically to neutralize free radicals, protect against environmental damage, and boost collagen production. It's also suitable for all skin types, particularly dry and aging skin. Benefits and usage: the C E Ferulic serum visibly reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots while improving skin texture and radiance. Apply 4 to 5 drops to a clean, dry face in the morning before sunscreen. Its lightweight, fast-absorbing formula makes it ideal for layering under other products. Usability: the serum comes in a dark, glass dropper bottle to preserve its potency. It has a slight smell due to the ferulic acid, but the results far outweigh this minor downside. It integrates seamlessly into any morning skincare routine. Durability: though expensive, a single bottle can last up to 3 months with daily use. Its antioxidant properties remain stable and effective over time, ensuring consistent protection and visible improvements in skin health. In the second spot, we have Drunk Elephant C-Firma Fresh Day Serum. The Drunk Elephant C-Firma Fresh Day Serum is a potent vitamin C serum designed to deliver brighter, firmer, and more even-toned skin. Its innovative packaging ensures optimal freshness, allowing you to mix the ingredients upon first use. Key features: this serum features a 15% ascorbic acid formula combined with ferulic acid, pumpkin ferment, and pomegranate extract. Together, these ingredients target sun damage, dullness, and signs of aging while promoting a radiant complexion. Benefits and usage: the C-Firma serum reduces the appearance of fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and redness while boosting the skin's overall brightness. Apply it in the morning to a clean face, following up with sunscreen to enhance its protective benefits. A pump or 2 is enough to cover the face and neck. Usability: its unique 2-part packaging lets you mix the ingredients fresh for maximum potency. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky residue, making it perfect for layering with other skincare products. Durability: with its stable formula, this serum remains effective throughout its use. A single bottle lasts about 3 months with consistent application, delivering noticeable results over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. The Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum is a cult favorite for a reason. Designed to work overnight, it repairs, hydrates, and rejuvenates the skin, making it an essential for anyone looking to combat signs of aging and stress. Key features: this serum features the brand's exclusive Chronolix Power Signal technology, which boosts skin renewal and collagen production. It's packed with hyaluronic acid for intense hydration and antioxidants to protect against environmental damage. Benefits and usage: the Advanced Night Repair Serum reduces the appearance of fine lines, boosts skin elasticity, and leaves you with a radiant complexion by morning. Apply a few drops to clean skin at night before your moisturizer for optimal results. Usability: its lightweight, silky texture glides onto the skin, making application a breeze. The dropper bottle allows for precise dispensing, and the serum absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. Durability: a little goes a long way, and a 50 ml bottle can last up to 6 months with nightly use. Its effectiveness remains consistent, providing visible improvements in hydration, firmness, and overall skin texture. Taking our fourth spot is Vichy Mineral 89. The Vichy Mineral 89 serum is a hydration hero, formulated with 89% Vichy volcanic water and hyaluronic acid. It's perfect for replenishing and strengthening the skin's moisture barrier, making it a versatile choice for all skin types. Key features: this serum is free of fragrance, parabens, and silicones, focusing on delivering pure hydration. It's enriched with 15 essential minerals from volcanic water and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid for deep hydration and resilience. Benefits and usage: the Mineral 89 serum plumps and smooths the skin while improving its ability to retain moisture. Apply 2 drops to clean skin morning and night, either as a standalone product or before your moisturizer. Usability: its gel-like consistency absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling fresh and hydrated. The pump bottle is hygienic and dispenses just the right amount of product, ensuring no waste. Durability: a single bottle lasts approximately 3 months with regular use. Its formula remains effective, providing consistent hydration and skin-strengthening benefits throughout its use. And finally, at number 5, we have Tatcha Violet C Brightening Serum. The Tatcha Violet C Brightening Serum is a dual-action powerhouse that brightens and resurfaces the skin. Infused with 20% vitamin C and 10% alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, it's perfect for tackling dullness, uneven skin tone, and texture. Key features: this serum combines 2 forms of stabilized vitamin C with natural fruit AHAs, delivering a potent blend that exfoliates and brightens. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and free from synthetic fragrances and harsh additives. Benefits and usage: the Violet C Brightening Serum fades dark spots, smooths fine lines, and boosts radiance. Apply a pump to clean, dry skin in the morning or evening, following up with sunscreen during the day to protect your skin. Usability: the lightweight, silky texture spreads easily and absorbs quickly, making it ideal for layering with other skincare products. Its pump dispenser ensures hygienic and precise application every time. Durability: a bottle lasts about 3 months with consistent use. The high-quality formulation remains stable and effective, delivering noticeable improvements in skin tone and texture over time. Serums are one of the most effective tools to elevate your skincare routine, offering targeted solutions for hydration, anti-aging, and brightening. From the powerful antioxidant blend in Skinceuticals C E Ferulic to the hydrating magic of Vichy Mineral 89, these top 5 serums cater to a variety of skin needs and concerns. Whether you're looking to combat wrinkles, boost radiance, or simply enhance your skin's health, there's a perfect option for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which serum will you try next? Let us know.